Hello students, welcome to my educational channel EasyEd. Today we will discuss about phylum Ctenophora. Next phylum from Porifera and Cnidaria, we have third phylum as Ctenophora in animal kingdom. Members of phylum Ctenophora are commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. It's their common name. They are exclusively marine, means present only in seawater. Their body is radially symmetrical. Remember symmetry, body symmetry. When body is divided in any plane, it divides into two equal halves. That is radial symmetry. Then they are diploblastic. Remember body layers, two germ layers are present, ectoderm and endoderm. They are diploblastic. They have tissue level of organization. Remember the basis of classification, cellular level, then tissue level means various cells performing same kind of function are grouped to form a particular tissue, and for different functions they are different tissues. So in phylum Ctenophora we will see tissue level organization. Now see the specific character of Ctenophora. Body bears 8 external rows of comb plates that are ciliated and help in locomotion. This is the specific character of Ctenophora. What helps in locomotion? What helps in locomotion? There are 8 external rows of comb plates and they are ciliated, which help in locomotion. Now next character, digestion is both extracellular and intracellular, means takes place inside the cell or outside the cell. Now again a specific character, they show bioluminescence. What is bioluminescence? Luminescence is related to light and bio is related to life. So what is bioluminescence? Property of living organisms to emit light, means this property of living organisms in which they emit light, this property is called as bioluminescence. So members of Ctenophora show bioluminescence. Next character, sexes not separate, means same sexes are present in both the sexes are present in the same body, means sexes are not separate. Next character, reproduction is sexual. In Ctenophorans, sexual reproduction takes place. Fertilization is external, means fertilization takes place outside the body. And next, development is indirect. Remember, we have studied indirect development means phase of development includes larva. Larval stages are included, means the small zygote does not directly forms adult. In between stages called as larval stages or larva are formed. So this kind of development is said to be indirect. Examples of Ctenophora, pleurobrachia and Ctenoplana. I will show you a picture. You will understand it well from here. This is pleurobrachia. See its structure. This is pleurobrachia. Okay. Its structure, see, it's arboreal surface. These are these tentacle and ciliated bodies which help in locomotion. This is a Ctenophora known as pleurobrachia. Alright. Now next phylum we will continue Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat and helminth means worms. Okay. So this phylum includes flat worms. This phylum includes all the worms which are flat, and see their characteristics. Body is dorso-ventrally flattened, means upside and down. Dorso-ventral, upside of the body is called as dorsal and the below surface is called as the ventral. Body is dorso-ventrally flattened, means it is flat in shape, and so their name is flatworms, and hence the name Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat. All right. Next character. Platyhelminthes means flatworms are mostly endoparasites found in animals and man. Platyhelminthes flatworms are parasites. Alright, they need a living host to survive. And which kind of parasites they are? They are endoparasites, means they live inside the body of the host and take their nutrition from the host body. And in which organisms it is endoparasite? In animals as well as in man. You might have heard, or you might be knowing, or you might be aware that many small children from up to age 10, they suffer from severe stomach ache. You know why? That stomach ache is due to these endoparasites present inside the body of children, and they are all these flatworms, called as common name, it's a common platyhelminthes is tapeworm, which is found inside the body of the children and which causes severe stomach pain. And you might be aware that deworming is done in children. This deworming is to remove all these endoparasitic tapeworms from the body of the children. So, platyhelminthes are mostly endoparasites found in animals and man. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical. Remember body symmetry we studied in last videos. What is that? When body is divided on through a single plane, it divides into equal right and left parts. Means body can be divided into equal right and left parts on a single plane, that is mostly longitudinal. See, all these terminologies we won't be repeating, we won't be defining it again and again. You have to learn the definitions of these terminologies and learn their names, so that whenever we are discussing the topic, we are describing the animal, organism, or discussing the general characters, we need not define it again and again. You might be able to understand that what we are talking about with the help of these terminologies. Okay, the body is bilaterally symmetrical, means can be divided into equal right and left parts. Now see the advancement. They are triploblastic. Since last phylum, that is Ctenophora we studied just now, you have seen that body is diploblastic, means two germ layers are present, ectoderm and mesoderm. Now see the evolution taking place gradually, step by step. Advancement in characters is taking place, advancement in various features, in structure, in functions is taking place. Now from platyhelminthes we will see that body is triploblastic, means three germ layers are present. Again I am defining the terminology again, but you have to learn it. Body is composed of three germ layers: outer ectoderm, inner endoderm, and medium intermediate mesoderm. So there are three germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Such animals are called as triploblastic, and this is the advanced character. Started from platyhelminthes, and now you will see this character in other phylums also. They are acoelomate. Again remember coelom, we studied in our previous videos that body cavity is called as coelom, and they are acoelomate, means a means without. That means platyhelminthes, member of platyhelminthes, are acoelomate, means they are without coelom. Then next character, they have organ level of organization. Seen the advancement, seen development. Just now we studied Ctenophora. What we studied there? It has Ctenophora. Members of Ctenophora have tissue level of organization. Now from Platyhelminthes, you see organ level of organization means various tissues are combined to form specific organs. A specific one kind of tissue forms a specific kind of organ, and different tissues form different organs. Now from Platyhelminthes, you will see organs are present, various organs are present, though they may be of the primitive types, but from this stage, from Platyhelminthes, we can see organ level of organization means body has some organs. Now see the specific character of Platyhelminthes. Hooks and suckers are present in the parasitic forms, means mostly they are endoparasites, and those which are parasitic in nature, they have specific structure called as hooks or suckers. And what will be their function? They will be attached to the body of the host with the help of these hooks and suck the food material through their suckers. Okay, so the parasitic forms have hooks and suckers. It's their adaptation for the parasitic form of life. Then, next character, some of them absorb nutrients from the host body through general body surface, means many of them possess suckers. They suck the food from the host body, but some of these Platyhelminthes, how do they absorb their food from the host body? Through their general body surface by absorption. Now again a specific character of Platyhelminthes, they have flame cells. Members of Platyhelminthes have flame cells. There are special types of cells called as flame cells. And what's their function? Therefore, osmoregulation and excretion. Flame cells in Platyhelminthes are the organs of excretion. Flame cells help in excretion and in osmoregulation, means maintain the temperature of the body. Also, flame cells help in excretion. They are the questions are asked. What are the excretory organs in Platyhelminthes? You can write the answer. Flame cells. All right. Next character. Sexes are not separate. Means again there are not separate male and female worms. Same body has both the sexes. Fertilization is internal. See, in Ctenophora you have studied fertilization is external, but now in Platyhelminthes we have internal fertilization, means fertilization takes place inside the body. Next, development is through many larval stages, means many larval stages are found in the development process, and such a development is called as indirect. You can say the development is indirect through many larval stages. Some members possess high regeneration capacity. Some members of Platyhelminthes have high regeneration capacity, means if the body is cut off or divided, it regenerates. Body regenerates. Example, planaria. Planaria is a platyhelminth which has the regeneration capacity. Now examples of phylum Platyhelminthes: Taenia solium, that is tapeworm. This was the worm I was talking about, found inside the body of small children, which causes stomach ache. So examples are Taenia, that is commonly known as tapeworm; Fasciola, commonly known as liver fluke. I will show you some pictures of Platyhelminthes. See, this is planaria, this is liver fluke, and this is tapeworm or Taenia solium. Fasciola or liver. See, all these are flat worms. This, see their body. Dorso ventrally flattened. They are flatworms. They see the body flattened body. They are called as platyhelminthes, means flatworms. So this is all for today. Next we will continue in our next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.